Welcome to the ASUS Zenfone 9, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first we should open the settings application, and after that we should tap to the sounds and vibration. Now just to change the ringtone, notification, alarm, media or call volume, we should hold and swipe to the left or to the right side these blue dots. Also, if you want to turn on or turn off the outdoor mode, you should click here on the switcher. But to complete mute our device to set media volume in 0 when it will have the mute mode. Also, you can here change the volume syncing or to ringtones and notifications. Also, we can use the ringtone notifications and media or just to turn it off. We can also here turn on and turn off the smart ringtone feature. We can change volume key control. Just now I have selected here the media, and we can switch it here to ringtone, and by use volume up or down volume buttons we'll switch the ringtone volume. We can also just here set up the audio wizards. In Bluetooth volume control we have selected now the absolute volume, or also we can change it to the independent volume. We can turn on and turn off the don't disturb mode. We can also turn on and turn off the priority mode. We can turn on or turn off the shortcut to private ringing. We can also switch here vibration to mute. Also we can change phone ringtone, alarm and notification sounds here, and just in other settings we have the sound effects, so we can turn on and turn off the dial pad sounds, screen lock and lock sounds, charge and sounds, touch sounds and vibration haptics here. So just to turn on and turn off all of these options we should click on each of the switchers, and we can also change here the intensity for incoming calls, notifications and touch feedbacks haptics. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our ASUS Zenfone 9. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.